How to change payment method on Hulu. So let's get started. Changing your payment method on Hulu is a straightforward process. So you can see we are direct in the Hulu website in the changing payment information. So basically guys, you'll have to start by visiting the Hulu website on your computer or mobile browser, and you'll have to log into your Hulu account using your credentials. So once you are logged in, locate and click on your profile name or icon in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop down menu, select account or account settings. This will take you to your Hulu account settings page. So within your account settings, look for the section related to billing or payment information. It may be labeled as payment information or something similar. In the payment section, you should see your current payment method listed. Look for an option to update or change your payment method. Click on this option. So then you'll be prompted to enter the details of your new payment method. This typically includes information such as your credit debit card, expiration date, and billing address. Alternatively, if you are using a different payment method like PayPal, you may need to log into your PayPal account to authorize the changes. Then simply tap on the Save Change and verify the change. So that is it guys. By following these steps, you can easily change your payment method on Hulu and ensure uninterrupted service with a preferred payment option. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.